In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable image link to the footer in Shopify's Dawn theme. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without guesswork. This process is perfect for adding a logo, a trust badge, or any image in your footer that takes visitors to a page when they click it. First, open your Shopify admin. From the main sidebar, go to Online Store, then select Themes. This is where all your themes live. Find your active Dawn theme and click Customize. That opens the theme editor, which lets you edit the layout and content without touching code. In the theme editor, look to the left-hand panel. This panel shows the sections that make up your page. Scroll to the bottom until you see the footer section. The footer is managed as a section like any other, so this is where we'll add the image block. Inside the footer section, click Add Block and choose Image. This creates a new image block specifically for your footer. You'll see it appear in the list of blocks under Footer. Click that new image block to open its settings on the right side of the editor. Now click Select Image. You can upload a new image or pick one you've already added to your library. Choose a file that's optimized for the web so it loads quickly. JPG or PNG works well, keeping the dimensions reasonable for a footer so it looks clean and doesn't overwhelm the section. Once you select the image, you'll notice a new field appear called Image Link. This is where you'll paste the URL you want the image to link to. It can be a page on your store or an external site. Make sure you include the full URL, including HTTPS, to avoid broken links. If you're linking to a page within your store, copying the link directly from your storefront in a separate tab can help prevent typos. Take a moment to double-check that the correct image is selected and that the link is accurate. If you ever don't see the image link field, it usually means the image hasn't been selected yet. Choose the image first, and the link option will appear. When everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. Saving applies your changes to your store, so your new clickable image in the footer is now live. That's it. You've added a linked image to the footer in the Dawn theme, cleanly and efficiently. If you need to adjust its position, you can drag the image block up or down within the footer section for the layout you prefer.